Hello everyone, my name is Mithili Nikam and today in this video I am going to demonstrate on how to create a Docker container. Before we start with the practical, let us just know what is a Docker. So Docker is a platform used for developing, shipping and running of various applications. It has Docker packages, Docker containers, which is a software package which includes everything required to run the application. Docker container is running instance of Docker image. Docker image is basically a template provided to create the Docker container. So let us start with the practical. Before let's go to Docker desktop first. Here, as you can see, there are various containers that I've created, and the and here images. You can see the images that I have already pulled. Or so let's pull one of such image again. We can go on browser and search for Docker Hub. Docker Hub. Click on zero. Let's search for any image you want. Search for Ubuntu. Here, as you see, information related to Ubuntu is provided. And also here one command is given, docker pull Ubuntu. Let's just copy this. Okay, enter. So the latest image of Ubuntu has been pulled. Now let's run this image. So for that, write docker run Ubuntu then bash. Okay. So let's check in the Docker desktop if this container was formed there. Okay. You can see this Ubuntu container was formed 9 seconds ago, but it got exited. Okay, the status is showing exited. Now, for the container to be in interactive mode, what we can do, right? Docker run it. This stands for the interactive mode, Ubuntu, Ubuntu bin bash. Okay, let's run this. Now see, you here it shows root, which means that you have entered the root of Ubuntu now. So this is like a direct access to Ubuntu, and now the container is formed. And if you check here in the Docker desktop container, see it shows the status shows running. That is, it is in the interactive mode. All right. So similarly, let's just pull one more image. Okay. Similarly, let's just pull one more image of Nginx. Again, uh, go on the Docker app and search for Nginx. Okay. Here again, all the information related to Nginx and all the commands are given. And again, let's pull this, copy this. Okay. Again, the latest image of Nginx is pulled. Now to run this, let's write docker run. Specify a name to this container. C1 detached. This D stands for detached mode. Port number. Let's specify any port number. Nginx. Okay, let's give another name. Docker run name. Port 8080. Let's again give it another port. Nginx. Okay. Now you can see a certain kind of ID is shown here, which means that the container is running. Let's check again here. C. Nginx container was created and the status is running.